Hey True Beauties, Heather here with today's True Beauty 21-day yoga challenge. So you guys, as you guys know, I'm obsessed with yoga because yoga has really had a very, very profound effect on my life, mind, body, and spirit. It is a huge part of our True Beauty movement of be balanced, be true, be you, physically, mentally, socially, spiritually, and emotionally. So remember, anyone at any level, any age can do yoga and feel those same effects. So we're gonna have lots of fun, juicy giveaways like what I have below here. So be sure to check out my story for every day's posture and also the detailed giveaways, and be sure to check out the image on my feed, you guys, on how to qualify. And until next time, be balanced, be true, and be proud to be you. See you later, guys. So you guys, posture number one is called Sukhasana in Sanskrit, also known as easy pose or comfortable seated position. You can call it all those different names. Super, super easy, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to have your right foot in front. Now remember, when it comes to Sukhasana or easy pose, you want to have your hips, you guys, above the knees. And the way to test that is to bring your hands out from your hips. And if they run into your knees, then you know that you want to sit on a bolster or a blanket or anything like that. A pillow would be fine, just to lift you up a little higher. If they don't run in, then just stay where you're at, okay? And then you're simply going to bring your palms facing up, bring your elbows in nice and tight. So if your elbows are out, elbows come in nice and tight, start to engage the core, slowly start to widen the shoulders, close the eyes, lower the chin just slightly, and I want you to really just focus on your breath. Deep, slow inhales, deep, slow exhales, engaging the core. We're going to slowly start to bring our index finger to our thumb. And this posture is really good, you guys, for setting your intention, manifesting the life of your dreams, and really recentering your mind, body, and spirit. So you can do this anytime if you're feeling really stressed out, anxiety, anything like that, or you just feel you need to go within to really manifest what you want. And this is a wonderful posture. This alone can be all that you do to do a yoga practice in the morning, and we're going to start to branch off from here. So be sure to join me tomorrow for tomorrow's posture, you guys. That'll be posture number 2. Welcome to today's day 2, posture number 2 of my 21-day yoga challenge. So you guys, today I'm going to teach you guys cat-cow posture. So really these are technically kind of 2-3 postures where you're going from table to cat to cow, but I'm going to really just make this one because you really do them all together. So basically you're going to go with cat posture first, which is that's in Sanskrit known as Marjarasana, and then you're moving into Bittalasana, which is cow, and you're moving ebb and flow with your breathing in this posture. So what you're going to do is start to place the hands. Now you want to have the wrists, you guys, right below the shoulders. We're starting with a flat back here, finding our center, looking down at the mat, moving into cat. So tilting the tailbone, chin to the sternum, inhale and exhale. We're starting to lift the hips, lift the chin into cow posture, and just move back and forth with your breath. And as soon as you're ready, you're gonna come back to neutral spine and just come back to comfortable seated position when you're ready. Today is day 3 and posture number 3. So you guys, today's posture is called Tadasana in Sanskrit. It's also known as mountain pose or mountain posture. So really, really easy, you guys. We're gonna stand towards the front of the mat. You can stand at the very front or somewhere kind of middle front. And what you wanna do is you wanna have your ankles directly below your hips. You wanna have your feet basically hip distance apart. Then we want to align our chakras. So hands on the hips, start to tilt the tailbone, start to engage the core, creating that isometric movement for that nice little six-pack, right? And then we're going to have our thumbs out. We're going to move the shoulders nice and wide. Deep inhale, close the eyes. Deep exhale. And deep inhale as we start to get ready for posture number 4, which is tomorrow's posture. So be sure to tune in tomorrow for posture number 4. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, all that fun stuff. Guys, today is pose number 4 and day number 4 of the challenge. So you guys, today is all about upward facing hands. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand towards the front of the mat. So upward facing hands or upward salute. This is known as Urdhva Hastasana. And what you're going to do is you're going to slowly inhale and you're going to reach up. There's a couple ways to do this. You can kind of do like a swan dive or kind of reach up this way. Or if you're in a really tight yoga space or a tight yoga class, you can reach forward. So we're going to kind of do it that way. Sometimes we call that New York style, because in this city it's so busy, right? So we're reaching up, reaching towards the sky, still tilting the tailbone, and you can even arch back just slightly. Deep inhale. So we're doing an inhale in this posture. We always want to inhale as we go up in yoga and exhale as we go down. Today is day number 5, and this is Uttanasana, also known as forward fold. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with upward salute or upward facing hands, shoulders down the spine. We're going to slowly swan dive forward. We want to have a nice flat back here, and we want to wrap our hands around the back of our ankles or our calf muscles and start to pull our forehead towards our shins as we bring our shoulders back away from the ears. You can also go flat on the ground here, you guys, and have your hands completely flat. If you can't quite make it, you can bend your knees as much as you need to and fold over. This is one of my favorite postures. Very releasing, really good for stress, and make sure you have a deep exhale there. All right, guys, I hope that you guys loved this True Beauty 21-day yoga challenge. I was so excited to do this for you guys. I love doing this. I love connecting with you guys in this way. Like I said, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram for other challenges that I do in the future, whether it's a yoga challenge, whether it is like a beauty challenge or a makeup challenge that I'm doing. I have lots of fun ideas for you guys. And until next time, be balanced, be true, and be proud to be you. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today's True Beauty Quick Tip. If you like what you see and for more confidence building tips on how to be a beauty from the inside out, remember to subscribe to our channel and connect with us at truebeautymovement.com. That's TRU without the E, Beauty Movement. Love you guys. Until next time, remember, be balanced, be true, and proud to be you.